Alright guys, there's date and time on the Garmin Fronter 620. And right now we are currently standing in the hallway in Building 2 of the Abbey Resort in Fontana, Wisconsin. And in this video we are going to take a ride on this elevator. Before we do, let's take a look at the fire alarm system here. You got a simplex True Alert strobe only unit. I'm sure there's horn units around the place. There's a simplex T-bar pull station right here. It seems to be labeled M4-82. So each one probably has a label or something. But with that being said, let's take a ride on this elevator. It seems to have either an innovation decorator or square innovation universal call button. And it's right here. And judging by the looks of it, I believe this is a LULA. We're going to head down to the lower level. It looks like the brand of this elevator is a Lift-A-Vator. Alright, so here at the lower level, right there. So now we're going to head up to 2R, which I assume is the highest floor here. My camera looks like the focus or not. There we go. We're going to watch you get her here.
I think it's safe to say this is a LULA judging by the speed it's traveling at. Did some interlock just disengage or something? That was weird. I thought the elevator was going to stop on like 1R or something. Or 1L.
That's here at 2R. How is that vibrating? That was weird. Anyways, here at 2R. Now let's head back up. Someone called it 1R. It's apparently lit up. So let's get a cab view of this thing. There are the operating instructions right there. It seems like this elevator has a side door, because there's where it enters from, and then there's this door. This is really interesting. Just a basic LULA elevator. And it's got a really little ceiling that I can touch, believe it or not. Interesting. Going down?
What? Yep.
Going down?
Yep.
Oh, we're gonna wait?
No.
I just pulled an Epic door close on them. Oh well. So we don't get yelled at. So yeah, anyways, this is what the cab looks like. Yeah, I think based on the context of that situation, he's probably waiting for me. But yeah, anyways, there's your indicator, here's your COP, here's your phone. I find it interesting how some floors are labeled L and R. Because this floor starting was 1R, I'm assuming that L floors are what open up here. Why don't we try that out? There's a lower level. So now we're going to cut up to 1L. Oh, this camera's not focusing. There we go. We're going to watch this button go out. Alright, so here you're at 1L. Sheets open up here.
Yeah, so apparently I was right. The L floors, excluding the lower level of course, are served from the side door of this elevator.
Wait a minute. Did I see some stairs when I first walked up? Huh. We'll have to find that out when we get off on the 1R. Alright, put the camera down. Out of respect for that housekeeper that needs to use it. Go ahead, sir.
Oh, okay.
And then I'll just tell her everything in the closet needs to go.
Oh yeah, look at this, guys.
Got it, that makes sense. That's
Yeah.
easy. Yeah.
That way they don't forget stuff in
So
the dressers
apparently,
and stuff like that. Or
the reason for this floor
in the
Yes.
dressers,
Yeah.
like our
is
sheets
because
and
there's
stuff.
stairs that go down and connect to this building.
Which do happen to be the set of stairs I saw when I started my video on floor 1R.
That's interesting.
Oh.
I've never seen anything like that before. But yeah, I wish I could show you better, but there's housekeepers there. I don't want them to question me for filming. But yeah, so I'm not sure what building this is, but that's building 2 right there. And that's building. And this building I think is like 4 or something. I'm not too sure. But yeah. And there's a horn strobe unit for all fire alarm fans. Simplex True Alert. Looks like this pulse station is labeled M192. So yeah, that's why they have this floor here, and that's what that L floor is for. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that'll be it.